Hi, it's Finland here, and I thought I'd talk a bit about some of the further work that I've been doing on RFID tags and supply chain and blockchain. So it's come as a bit of a surprise to me that RFID tag development still isn't proceeding to the point where throwaway tags can properly and securely identify themselves. And this is a key thing if supply chain is going to use blockchain in any kind of meaningful way in combination with RFID tags, because at the moment the RFID tags that are used are really no better than spraying a QR code onto a product. Actually, that's not entirely true. They have one advantage, which is you don't need light or line of sight. But basically, if you're going to start using blockchain and RFID tags to track shipments of fairly low value goods rather than high-end luxury goods, in order to be able to show the provenance of those low-end goods, you don't want to be sticking €5 or €10 RFID tags on them with their own batteries and stuff like that. It's just too expensive. You know, when the tag or the packaging costs more than the item, it's pretty stupid. So really, they do need to get to the point where a 5 or a 10-cent tag max can be used to track a crate of bananas or a sack of beans, or whatever it is that's going through the supply chain. So I've been thinking about that, and I do think I have an affordable solution that uses the existing technology, limitation on logic gates around about the sort of 1,000 to 10,000 max. I think what I have can be done in about 800 gates, and also limitations on the amount of memory that you can put in a cheap tag. Ideally I'd like 1 or 2K, but I can still make a perfectly valuable tag that can be fitted with, say, 1/4 of a K, or maybe something like 300 bytes, something like that. Basically, it depends on how many stops there are in the way and how many times you think the goods are going to be scanned. Certainly, if the goods are going through a supply chain where they're scanned a maximum of, say, 10 or 20 times, then the system should work fine. Any more than that, you start needing more memory. But even so, I'm pretty hopeful that it could lead to something. So if you work for an RFID tag company and you're actually interested in blockchain and innovation, do reach out, because I'm happy to talk to any of you guys about it. And for the rest of you, I'm hoping to put out a paper sometime in the next couple of weeks, which describes in more detail how this all works. I hope you found that I hope you thought that was interesting, and keep your eyes open for further developments over the next few months. It should be quite exciting. Bye for now.